Hello everybody. Well, it's been a strange morning. I've been busy. I've not had much breakfast. So I'm going to make myself a 1940s crispy omelette. This is made with fried bread croutons. I'm using 1 egg because there's just myself. If you were feeding 2 to 3 people, you'd use probably 2 eggs. And I'm going to serve it with a bit of salad, and I am also going to add a little bit of garlic because I like garlic. So let's get down to it. I'm going to crack this egg into a cup. And whisk the egg up. I'm frying the bread croutons in a little oil. Obviously, if you were doing this in the 1940s, you'd be using dripping. Next, I'm going to crush some garlic and add that to the cup. Give that a good mix round. I'm just going to add a smidge of pepper. This is a really good way of using up stale bread. And then while that's cooking, I'm just going to make a quick bit of salad. And here it is, my fried bread omelette. So let's give this a try. Here we are. That looks attractive. It's a bit of an irregular shape, but I'm sure it will taste good. That's really nice. I didn't add any salt. I've got a little bit of salad with a bit of dressing. I added a little bit of pepper to give it some pizzazz. I've also got some beetroot. This is in a spicy vinegar. And that's very good. So there it is, my 1940s crispy omelette. Unfortunately, just for one, boo-hoo. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And in any case, it helps the algorithm. And I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.